Hello, Cambridge College faculty. My name is Brooks Winchell from the Center for Excellence in Learning and Teaching, and we're continuing along with our MyCC 101 self-paced training. Hopefully you're enjoying it. We're getting towards the end. We just have this unit and one more. In this video, I'm going to overview the Course Organizer feature, which is actually you're all very familiar with now because you've been using Course Organizer throughout the entire self-paced course. But you can only actually set that up once you get everything set up. And it's actually kind of magical in the way that once you get everything set up in just the right way, Course Organizer just basically runs itself. So Course Organizer is a different view that allows students to see unit by unit everything and all the resources that they need for that unit and all the assignments that are due for that unit. So it's under here. It'll either be called Course Organizer, it might be called Overview. If we click that, it pops up with our Course Organizer. So this Course Organizer, we haven't done anything to it, but you'll notice that it's already preset. It says the unit here is Coming of Age. It has an arrow right here. There's a drop-down box with our other two units, Culture and Identity and Identity. Those get automatically set up. When we set up coursework, we set up those 3 units under Manage Units and Types. Those now become our main units in the Course Organizer. And since we set up an assignment through Gradebook, we can see that assignment here. During this assignment, there's a Coming of Age essay due, and there could be other assignments due too. And we've already attached resources. In the last video, we created a website that we attached to this unit, and now we can see that under Resources in here. If we had a discussion forum, we'd see the discussion forum under here too. And this is really nice because it's a great way for students to manage their course. So for online courses, I highly recommend faculty organize their course using the Course Organizer. And for in-seat courses, I think it can also be beneficial too, because the students have a better view and they have everything there at once. They can just go into the week, they can see, for this week I have my essay due, I also have these links that I'm going to need to read. Plus, you have the option of editing this, right? So if we click Add Unit Content, we can add some text, and maybe our text describes this week, we're in our Coming of Age unit, we're going to do this and this. You'll see under coursework that there's a Coming of Age essay due at the end of the week. You can also access under resources all of the resources that we've created for the course. So it's a great way to kind of describe the course. And students can work through week by week and they'll see everything they need to know about that particular week in one spot. It's actually so valuable that I often recommend that once you get it set up to this point that you're looking at the Course Organizer, you want to go ahead and make Course Organizer your landing page. So instead of landing on the main page with the handouts and everything, you land on the Course Organizer page. And you do that through Course Manager, which I'm going to talk about in the next module. That's how you would change the name of your pages and how you would assign a home page too. So this is a pretty basic one because it just has the coursework that we've set up and the links that we've set up, and there's no text in here. But a good example of a course built through a Course Organizer is the MyCC 101 course that everybody has been working through. So here's an example of the MyCC 101 course. This is the Course Organizer view. So I've set that as my landing page. So when anybody comes into this course, yes, they can still access coursework and discussion forums and gradebooks right there, but the landing page is the guide. So they have access to see all of the modules in this course. Plus I've entered text in here so that they can follow along with the text. Plus I have under coursework quizzes in here, and I have optional resources in here, and I've done that for every single unit. So it's a good way to kind of have a self-paced experience, and hopefully in your experience in this MyCC 101 course, you found value in moving through the different modules this way. So Course Organizer, like I said, it's kind of magic. It brings everything together. You can't really play with it until you've set up coursework, gradebook, discussion forums, handouts and resources, all that stuff. But once you do, it makes for a really good experience for the students. So again, I'm Brooks Winchell from the Center for Excellence in Learning and Teaching, and this is using the Course Organizer in MyCC.